Now here we're getting into, are we good radiologists or not? And there are some areas that are better than others, but basically you're going to have a patient coming in and they're going to have maybe some discomfort with push-ups and different things like that. And you're thinking it's because they can't keep things centered. So you already did your load shift and you notice that, yeah, that they have some laxity. Maybe they have a sulcus sign. And they're having complaints of pain with push-up or something. So then what you can do is you're basically putting pressure into the humerus on the glenoid and adducting to see if that causes increased pain. And the reason why they call it the jerk is that you'll feel a jerk or as you do this test, you'll feel it ride over like a speed bump. Sometimes because the head of the humerus is superior, you have the Kim test, which is basically the same pressure, but you do an inferior glide while you horizontally adduct. And as you do that, you'll feel if there's a speed bump. Again, all of these instabilities are just inability to neuromuscularly keep the head of the humerus centered. And some of this is because the passive restraints are not working appropriately. So then the question is, can we get the neuromuscular system to activate to keep that centered when they're doing certain functional tasks, and can you get them to progress to a rehab program that will respond to that?